Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video today I'll show you how to SSL in your domain. So let's get started. First log in your Cpanel and search here SSL. Click SSL and TLS. Then in the right side you will see private key. Go generate, view, upload and delete your private key. Just generate a private key. Click generate. Okay, private key is generated. Next we need to key another key. Return to SSL manager and generate CRT key. Generate CRT key. Click here. Now first put your address here. First put the domain name. This jotfort ghphotovideo.info. Copy and paste here. The new city loaded here. And country US, company photovideo.info. Then click generate. Okay, it's complete. Next return to SSL manager and click here manage SSL site. Now select your domain name. Okay, this is installed already, ghphotovideo.info. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. You will get more video about WordPress and Shopify.